My dear friends, welcome to A1 Aptitude Academy. In today's video, we will learn about Axis Small Cap Fund. This is the English version of a video which has already been uploaded in Hindi. So if you are comfortable in Hindi, you can watch that video. But if you are comfortable in English, you can watch this video. So as you know that small cap funds are very risky funds, and but at the same time they give very good returns. Okay. So first of all, for watching the performance of this fund, we come to our website of Money Control. So Money Control has a special feature where we can compare the performance of different funds at the same time. Now here we see the performance of Axis Small Cap Fund, and we are interested in direct plan and growth plan. Okay, no dividend, no regular. Okay, because regular plans have a commission of commission agent, and in dividend a small percentage of your profit is leaked into your saving account. Okay, so we will always be interested in direct plan and growth option only. Okay, so first of all we see the performance of this fund in comparison to Nifty 50. Okay, so in last 1 year, this is the difference between performance of Nifty 50 and this fund. So this fund has given 56% return while Nifty has given 61% returns in last 1 year according to the Money Control website. So now what is the category average? Category average is 63%. So this fund has given less returns as compared to category average also in last 1 year. Okay. But when we see performance of this fund in last 5 years, so now we reach to our 5 years. So in last 5 years, this fund has given 25% returns while Nifty has given 17% returns. And what was category average? Category average was 21% in last 5 years. So this fund has beaten both Nifty and category in last 5 years time period. Now we see graph of this fund in last 5 years. So this is the graph of fund and Nifty 50 in last 5 years. So in last 5 years time period, we can see that mostly the fund and the Nifty 50 line is overlapping. Okay, till January since till July 20. Okay, till July 20, these lines are overlapping to each other with each other, but since July 20 the fund has beaten Nifty 50 line. Okay, this is Nifty 50 line, this is fund line. Okay, so there is the gap is increasing month by month. Okay, so now this is the difference between Nifty 50 and the fund performance. So more the gap, better the performance of this fund as compared to Nifty 50. Okay, so now we see performance in absolute terms. So what is the performance of this fund? Last 1 week it is very less time period, so 0.82% only. Then 1 month it has given 3%, 3.6% returns. Then 3 months, in 3 months it has given 4% returns. Then in last 6 months this has given 19% returns, which are very good returns. Then in last 1 year it has given 57% returns. Then 2 years 100% returns. That means your money is doubled in 2 years if you had invested in this fund. Okay, now in last 3 years this fund has given 150% returns. Okay, that means you have got a profit of 150% in 3 years. That means if you had invested rupees 1000, your value will had been 250. Okay, that means 2500. Then in last 5 years returns are 213%. That means more than 3 times your money had value, 3 times, more than 3 times. Okay, in 5 years. So since inception it has given 602% returns. That means 7 times your money had become 7 times if you had invested in 2013. So this is category average. We can compare category average and fund average. Okay, performance wise. Fund percentage is 56%, category is better. Okay, this is last 1 year. So last 1 year we know that category has beaten the fund, but in last 2 years also category has beaten the fund. Okay, then in last 3 years fund has beaten the category. Okay, then in last 5 years also fund has beaten the category. Then since inception fund has also beaten the category. Okay, so in longer time horizon fund has given good performance as compared to category. Okay, this was performance of fund if you had invested in lump sum. Now we can see the performance of this fund if you had invested in SIP mode. Okay, so if you had invested rupees 1000, okay, 5 years back, then your returns had been like this. So total invested amount was 60,000, 1000 per month. In 5 years invested amount 60,000. Now value of investment, now this is value of investment 1,30,000. Okay, so you had a profit of 70,000. Okay, 70,000 profit means you have a profit more than 100%. Okay, in last 5 years. So you can compare these returns with your bank or post office RD. Okay, in RD mode you invest in monthly mode. Okay, and as in SIP also you invest in monthly mode, so you can compare your returns with post office or bank RD. Okay, where you get 5.8% returns in post office. Okay, here your returns are 31.64% returns. Okay, these returns are 6 times, you can say 5 to 6 times. Okay, 5 to 6 times. So this is the beauty of the picture. Now, but risk is also high in these instruments. Now this is a portfolio of the fund. So we directly come to companies. So first is Galaxy. So the Galaxy represents, this is chemical company. Okay, coatings, chemicals. Then Birla Soft, software related. Then we have Brigade Enterprises, this is housing sector. Then we have Narayana Hridayalaya Hospital. Okay, then Tata ALXI, this is software company, specialized softwares. Okay, not like TCS, this is specialized software company. Then we have CCL products, tea, coffee. Then we have Fine Organics, chemical again. Then we have Krishna Institute, that means hospital. Okay, then we have a JK Lakshmi Cement, so this is cement rated company. So this was portfolio of this fund. If you find the video useful, hit the like button and do subscribe to our channel for such videos. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.